Peeling or flaking paint can totally wreck the look of your walls, but fixing it doesn't have to be a headache if you know what you're doing. So, first things first, grab a scraper or a wire brush and get rid of all that loose, peeling paint. Don't just paint over it, or it's gonna peel right off again. Once you've cleared the flaky stuff, clean the surface really well with soap and water or a mild cleaner to get rid of dirt and grease, because paint sticks best to a clean wall. After it's dry, slap on a good quality primer that's designed for the kind of surface you're working with. This helps the new paint stick and stops stains from bleeding through. When choosing paint, always go for high quality paint made for your wall type. Cheap paint might save you cash now, but will peel faster. Apply the paint in thin, even coats rather than one thick one. It looks better and lasts longer. Make sure to let each coat dry completely before putting on the next one. Rushing this part can cause bubbling or peeling. If you're painting outside, check the weather forecast and pick a dry day with mild temperatures, because humidity and rain can mess up your paint job. Lastly, keep your tools clean and take care of leftover paint properly to make future touch-ups easier. One of the biggest mistakes people make with peeling or flaking paint is skipping the removal of loose paint. They think just painting over it saves time, but that's how you end up with the same problem again. Fix that by always scraping off every bit of loose paint before you start. Another common issue is not using primer or picking the wrong kind, which causes poor adhesion and makes peeling worse. Always choose a primer suited for your surface and follow its instructions. Lastly, using low-quality paint might seem like a bargain, but it tends to peel faster and fade. Spending a little more on premium paint designed for durability will pay off in the long run. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding reliable help. For contractors, it's a great way to get steady work by reaching people who are actively looking for pros like them.